In this video we look at how to recover from cognitive impairment, memory loss, caused by snoring and sleep apnea. In a moment I'm going to show you a special treatment that reduces cognitive impairment. Snoring is one of the greatest indicators of sleep apnea, and sleep apnea has long been proven to cause cognitive impairment. So, the question is, if you feel like your memory is not as good as it used to be, can you regain it by tackling your snoring and sleep apnea? A new study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society has a promising answer to this, but it has to be done in a specific way, or your cognitive function may rapidly worsen. Scientists consider mild cognitive impairment to be the stage between normal cognitive status and Alzheimer's disease. This is where you don't have major problems accomplishing your daily tasks, but your memory and decision-making are worse than those of people who age without cognitive problems. Continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, has always been the gold standard of sleep apnea treatments, but as it requires you to sleep with an uncomfortable face mask that forces air down your airway, most people do not comply with the treatment. The authors of the new study examined whether the correct application of CPAP treatment can reverse mild cognitive impairment that is caused by sleep apnea. They recruited 68 volunteers with mild cognitive impairment, who had been presented at sleep and geriatric clinics, and these volunteers were aged between 55 and 89. The researchers split them into a group that used CPAP and a group that did not. They also monitored the CPAP users' adherence to the treatment, with the classification of adhering to the treatment being if they used it for at least 4 hours per night over the course of a year. After a year, the scientists gave them a variety of tests to measure their ability to learn and remember, and their psychomotor/cognitive processing speed. The researchers found that there was a substantial improvement in the psychomotor/cognitive processing speeds of those who adhered to the CPAP, as compared to those who did not use it. This also referred to actions that resulted from conscious cognitive processing. They also experienced a small to medium improvement in memory, attention, daytime sleepiness, and everyday function. However, the cognitive abilities of those who did not use CPAP did not just stagnate. Instead, they worsened. So, they did not just fail to improve, they declined. The researchers recommended that doctors inform their patients of studies like this one to motivate them to use CPAP machines properly, but it is possible that some people may still remain unconvinced. After all, if your poor sleep originates from having to wear an uncomfortable face mask, you may not be convinced that cognitive improvements can result from such poor sleep. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell for notifications of future content.